Hi everyone, my name is Sonya and I'm an Acura product specialist at Paragon Acura. I'm excited to give you a tour of the 2019 Acura TLX A-Spec. Following last year's comprehensive redesign, the 2019 TLX now comes in multiple variants of the popular A-Spec trim level, including a new 2.4-liter option. And it can be yours today at Paragon Acura. The 2019 TLX A-Spec features the exclusive design elements that separate it from the pack. Its sporty character begins with a matte black diamond pentagon grille, which is surrounded by a dark chrome border. An aggressive lower front fascia is flanked by round LED fog lights, punctuated by a dark appearance for the signature jewel-eye LED headlights. Both A-Spec variants also feature exclusive 19-inch alloy wheels finished in shark gray paint. A-Spec exterior upgrades continue at the rear with a gloss black deck lid spoiler, LED taillights with a new smoky look, and an exclusive fascia accented 4-inch round dual exhaust finishers. Matte black side window trim, plus A-Spec badging on the front fenders and rear deck lid completes the look. The TLX A-Spec is available in 5 exterior colors, including a trim-exclusive Still Night Blue Pearl. In addition, every TLX can be customized with Acura genuine accessories. Aggressive and sporty styling headline a heart-racing first impression of the 2019 TLX A-Spec. The aggressive attitude of the TLX A-Spec only just begins with exterior stylings, as we take a look into the redesigned and sporty interior. Experience the unsurpassed comfort of Milano premium leather, with the A-Spec model including Alcantara trim's seating surfaces. The driver's seat now features 10-way power adjustment with built-in lumbar support, while both driver and passenger seats are detailed with high-contrast stitching and piping. Plus, both front seats are heated, keeping you warm on those cold New York mornings. Red LED ambient light piping, red driver's meter highlights, and an exclusive thick-rimmed steering wheel with A-Spec badging highlight the luxurious and sporty nature of both 2019 TLX A-Spec variants. The 2019 TLX A-Spec provides an extensive suite of technology that caters to both driver and passengers alike. For those tired of cluttered touchscreens, you can enjoy Acura's on-demand multi-use display, giving you all the controls needed at a given moment without crowding the dash. The TLX is the first Acura model that offers a complete redesign of the system, providing clearer displays and 30% quicker response times. Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and Bluetooth streaming audio are fully integrated into every model, as well as Bluetooth HandsFreeLink, allowing you to fully focus on the road ahead. The next level of convenience is the latest generation of Acura Link, which features access to a wide variety of services, including remote engine start, emergency roadside assistance, and much more. The 2019 TLX A-Spec also features available Acura ELS Studio 3D Premium audio, in addition to Sirius XM satellite radio and Pandora capabilities. The new TLX A-Spec never fails to keep you connected, no matter if it's work or play. It's important to stay in your lane and on the road when you're driving any vehicle, which makes Acura Watch a driver's best friend. Acura Watch is an intelligent suite of driver assistive technologies, and it's designed to alert you of visible and not so visible driving hazards. Acura Watch comes standard on all 2019 TLX A-Spec models. The first feature of Acura Watch is the collision mitigation braking system. When the vehicle detects what could be an unavoidable collision, the technology will react by applying the brakes and alerting the driver. Also included in this suite is the road departure mitigation system. A small camera notes road marks and alerts you if you're close to leaving the road. You'll also receive adaptive cruise control with low speed follow to help you maintain a set following interval on the highway, so manually changing speed is a thing of the past. Finally, there's lane keep assist. If at any point your TLX begins to drift without signaling, the steering will adjust to bring you back to the center of your lane. Acura Watch is one of the most comprehensive suites of safety features on the market, and you can find it on every new Acura TLX A-Spec. Even with the advancements made to both interior and exterior stylings, where the TLX A-Spec truly shines is performance. The most significant change from previous year's models is the addition of a 2.4-liter A-Spec option, which joins the V6 powered variant. The 2.4-liter engine is mated to a quick-shifting 8-speed dual-clutch transmission, while the V6 is paired with a 9-speed automatic transmission. For those who crave throttle, The 3.5-liter V6 engine reaches 290 horsepower, while the 2.4-liter engine maxes out at 206 horsepower. 2.4-liter TLX models come equipped with Acura Precision all-wheel steer, allowing for independent left and right rear wheel control to enhance overall handling precision, low-speed maneuverability, and high-speed stability. V6 models are offered in both two- and all-wheel drive configurations, with front-drive models featuring Precision all-wheel steer. All-wheel drive models feature Acura's renowned super handling all-wheel drive. The TLX A-Spec's impeccable performance is complemented by an EPA mileage rating of 23 mpg city and 32 highway for the 2.4-liter engine, while the V6 option reaches 20 mpg city and 30 highway. The 2019 TLX comes with a 4-year, 50,000-mile limited warranty and a 6-year, 70,000-mile limited powertrain warranty. Performance, style, luxury. The 2019 TLX A-Spec is your premium midsize sedan, and it's waiting for you now at Paragon Acura.